Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing something super fun. We are going to draw a delicious pizza in MS Paint. Yes, you heard it right. A cheesy, mouth-watering pizza, but digital. So grab your mouse and let's get started. Select the ellipse tool from the toolbar, set the outline to black and make a big circle on the canvas. And once again make a big circle. This is our pizza crust. Now select the line tool and draw the lines. Now let's add some toppings. Use the ellipse tool again to make some small red circles. If you love veggies, you can draw green rectangles for peppers or black ovals for olives. Be as creative as you want. It's your pizza. Now let's select the fill tool and select the red color and fill the color with red for all the circles. Now let's select the green and fill the remaining rectangle. And now let's select yellow color and fill the pizza with yellow. And for the base, we will use the different color orange. And now our delicious pizza is ready.